Ako din isingit nga formula. Um, and then we're going to use this together with chain rule. So next slide for the example and explanation. Before we proceed with more examples on chain rule, there's this other rule that I need we need to have an example on, and then that is this one: the derivative of a constant raised to a certain variable. So this is quite easy. Like for example, if you have y is equals to 2 to the x, here this is your b. So your dy over dx for this is equals to, just copy the b, and what is your b? 2, then x, and then ln, oops, ln of 2. That's ln, sorry. Ln of 2. Okay, so that's it. So if you have another example, you may say na, di ba pwede ang power rule, ani? Power rule, if you have y is equals to um, x to the n, then y prime is equals to n times x n minus 1. Di ba ni pwede i-apply? The answer is no, because here, this one is, ang base is ang variable and the exponent is a constant. Here it's different. It's the other way around. The base is the constant while the exponent is the variable. How about the, what's this? The e, the rule on e. Y is equals to e to the x, and so y prime is equals to e to the x also. The answer is, again, it doesn't apply because in the first place 2 is not e. Okay, but mind you, the derivation of this formula has been done with the technique, has been done using the derivative of e. So I skip the derivation na lang. I would request you, if you have time, to um, research on how this formula has been arrived at. So this is quite easy. Memorize the formula na lang. So let's have another example. How about um this time let's apply the chain rule here. Chain rule. Okay. So how about if we have derivative of pi to the 2x over dx. So what is that? So the function is y is equals to pi to the 2x. So we want to know the derivative of that. So we apply so this formula. Our b is pi. So our b is pi. Okay, and this is now, this one involves chain rule, because um, this whole thing here is the outside function, while 2x here is the inside function. So how do we deal with this? So first of all, we copy our b, pi to the 2x, and then ln of pi. But then, we have to find the derivative of this, which is 2. So, therefore, the derivative of pi to the 2x over dx is equals to 2 pi to the 2x ln of pi. Okay, so how about another example? How about this one? Y is equals to 200 sine of x. So what is y prime equal to? So here, this is our b, and this is our outside function, and this one is our inside function. So the derivative of that, derivative of um, just use this na lang. Y prime therefore is equals to, you copy b to the x, 200 sine of x, and then ln of b, which is 200, times the derivative of sine of x. So what's the derivative of sine of x? It is cosine of x. So this will now be further simplified into um, cosine of x 200 sine of x ln of 200. Okay? And so finally, last example, um, about for y is equals to 3 cosine of 2x. So what is y prime? What is y prime? So this is our b, and this is our uh, the outside function, and this is our inside function, and our inside function happens to have another inside function, which is this one. So we take all those into account. So we will have b to the x. Our b to the x will be the same, 3 cosine of 2x, and then ln of b, so ln of 3, and then the derivative of the inside function, we just put this in a parenthesis. So what's the derivative of cosine of 2x? That is negative sine of 2x. And then the derivative still of 2x, which is equal to 2. So this simplifies into y prime is equal to, I think this is 2 times 3, 6. No, because this one is not a, it's not, okay na siya cosine na power, so you cannot multiply them. So ilan lang siya 2, 3, cosine of 2x, which is the power, and then ln of 3, and let's put the negative sign here, and then sine of 2x. Okay, or maybe you can bring the sign before the one. Y prime is equals to negative 2 sine of 2x times 3 cosine of 2x ln of 3. Okay, so pasensya sa hiwi-hiwi na agi. Okay, just para in a way that is intended so that you will copy it on your notebook, and then as you copy it, mas maplastag ninyo ang solution. Okay, so we have a number of examples here, both for this new differentiation formula and for the chain rule. Pila ka example na to. We have 1, and then 2, and then 3 examples, 4 examples, 5 examples. Okay, so I'm going to include this in the video